Hey everyone, Justine here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so you'll be notified of new videos in the future. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about Burt's Bees BB cream, and this is something new that I picked up a couple of weeks ago at my local Walgreens, and I just thought that it was a great product now for the winter time. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this BB cream is a hydrating formula. They have three colors. There's light, medium, and then there's medium. So that's common with BB creams. Usually you only get 2 to 3 color options to choose from. However, I find that it is more on like the medium type of coverage, so you can get some pretty good coverage with this BB cream. I'm wearing it today. This is how I look after a full day of wearing it. I did have to blot once and kind of powder my face to get through the day since I am an oily complexion, but I feel like if you have dry skin or normal to dry skin that you'll really enjoy this product. This BB cream actually reminds me of IT Cosmetics CC cream, and I have both of them, and they both have exact similar type of texture when you put it on the skin. So the IT Cosmetics CC cream is a 50 SPF and the Burt's Bees BB cream is a 15 SPF. I feel like those are the main differences between both of these products. The way that they apply, the way that they sit on the face, the way that they hydrate and feel throughout the entire day are similar in my opinion. So the smell of the BB cream is actually very pleasant. It's a natural smell. It smells like a light hint of an essential oil of maybe some sort of very light type of fruit scent. It's very pleasant. It dissipates right as soon as you finish applying it, so it's not going to linger, and it does smell good, so it's not overbearing. The CC cream from IT Cosmetics, this one smells like oranges, and a lot of people I've heard don't like that scent, and this one's completely opposite, so I would definitely not associate it when it comes to the scent. But when it comes to everything else, it is very similar. This BB cream has noni extract, well known for its antioxidant properties. It helps to repair cellular turnover and it combats inflammation. So that's a great benefit to have in a BB cream. Both the IT Cosmetics CC cream and the Burt's Bees BB cream are huge multitaskers. The only thing I would recommend is if you're going to be in the sun all day, that a sunscreen or a primer with an SPF should be put underneath it before going out into the sun. Other than that, it's going to pretty much last on your face the same. I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about Burt's Bees claims. This unique formula moisturizes, it visibly firms, it evens out skin tone, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while providing a hint of tint. And it says that it's a lightweight foundation with super hydrating lotion with 9 clinically shown benefits and 3 mineral-rich shades. Overall, I do like this product. Even though I'm of oily complexion, I will be reaching for this when I'm going to have more of a light type of makeup day, because you can definitely just take this on your fingertips and spread it on your face and go out the door. You won't have any streaking. So I will be reaching for this on those types of days, and I'll be reaching for it now in the winter when my skin's a little bit more dehydrated. I just won't expect it to last all day, and it doesn't claim to. It doesn't claim to fight any oil. It doesn't claim to last that long throughout the day, so I'm not going to expect it to do that. What I'm going to expect it to do is be a great coverage with some hydration, and if that's something that you're looking for in a BB cream, I would definitely recommend this, and the price point is great. So it is about half the price, or a little bit less than half the price of the IT Cosmetics CC cream. So if you're a lover of the CC cream, or you've been wanting to maybe try that out but it was just a little too high up there in price, I would definitely give the Burt's Bees BB cream a try instead, because it's anywhere from $15.99 to $17.99. So I hope you guys liked my recap of this BB cream. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope you guys all have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video.